Malaysia feeling the strain in the Middle East conflict even as growth holds above expectations. The economy expanding 5.3% in the first quarter of this year, a sign of resilience, but also early pressure from rising global tensions, as it's slower than the 6.3% recorded in the quarter before. Afifah Ariffin with this report.
The ongoing conflict in the Middle East, now in its 7th week, has disrupted global energy flows, pushed oil prices higher, and raised production and transport costs for businesses across Malaysia. Still, advanced estimates from the Department of Statistics show the country's economy remains fundamentally resilient despite rising global uncertainties. In the first quarter of the year, manufacturing output grew 7.3% in January and 4.2% in February, driven largely by export-oriented industries. Consumer activity also held up. This was supported by festive spending during Chinese New Year, alongside Ramadan and Hari Raya preparations, as well as government cash aid and civil service salary revisions. On the external front, trade remained firm with continued growth in both domestic exports and re-exports. While on quarter-on-quarter basis, the economy shrank 4.4%, reflecting softer momentum. Rising energy prices are also feeding into inflation, particularly through transport costs, even as the government subsidies continue to cushion households. Economists say despite these pressures, growth remains on track for now.
At the current situation where there are high degree of uncertainties, I think the Malaysian economy was growing at a respectable speed. The Malaysian economy was able to grow at 5.3%. Therefore, I think if, let's say, if there is a de-escalation with respect to the war in Iran, I suppose the Bank Negara's latest forecast range of 4% to 5% perhaps can be attainable.
Overall, the latest data suggests Malaysia's economy remains on a steady footing, but it is becoming increasingly exposed to external shocks as geopolitical tensions push up costs and disrupt global supply chains. Afifah Ariffin, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.